Unit 7 test review number 20. Number 20 says the spread of a disease through a community can be modeled with a logistic equation where Y is the number of people infected after T days. So it asks us for how many people were infected at the start. So if I'm starting, that means that my time equals 0. So in the calculator, you're going to put in, there should be a parenthesis there, the whole function. So we'll go to our calculator. $5,000 divided by parenthesis 1 plus second ln, 59 second ln negative 0.3 times 0 parenthesis parenthesis. So that gives us 83. Remember, we cannot have part of a person, so that means that 84 people became ill at the beginning. If you wanted to find the horizontal asymptote, the limiting size is 5,000. There are 5,000 people in my community, therefore the limiting size is 5,000. And that also means that the horizontal asymptote is Y equals 5,000. If you wanted to find after 6 days, you would substitute 6 into the equation to get the answer. Be sure in your calculator that you use enough parentheses times. So make sure that you have parentheses around your denominator to get the correct answer.